What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shadow back again with another video, and today we're gonna be playing Fortnite Avengers Endgame because I feel like it, and you guys can't control what I do. This game mode is very fun. I've played it many times before. If that could be any louder, that'd be amazing. But we're just gonna be playing Endgame because it's a fun game mode, and yeah, it's just fun. I personally am not the biggest Avengers fan in the world. I'm not gonna lie, I've seen 0 Avengers movies, but from unknown sources, I know what happens in Endgame, and I'm not gonna spoil it because I'm a nice person. So yeah. Could you not be that loud? Yeah, we're just gonna be playing this game mode because it's fun. Look at those mats, bro. Those mats, broski. Alright, now we're gonna grab this one, which is right here. Hopefully we either get, well, we can only get 2 things. Cap's shield or Iron Man's hands. Get the iron hands. So yeah. Amazing. Dude. Absolutely amazing. Alright, whatever. Oh, we can get something from here. Oh my god. Alright, that's gonna be right next. Did that land inside of the volcano? Wait. I don't think it's possible for them to get it. It landed inside the volcano. What are the chances? I don't think they can get it now because it landed inside the volcano. Oh, that's good. Wait, they got it? How did they get it? I am so confused right now. Okay. No chest. Chest. Iron Man. You just gotta say it before you do it, and then you're automatically gonna get it. And if you don't, not my problem. Oh, circle. Oh, circle. So yeah, this game mode is really fun. If you haven't tried it yet, I would suggest trying it out because it's fun. Thanos is at the volcano, which you can see has been smoking too many cigarettes lately. So yeah. Also, I don't want anyone in the comments to like judge me or make fun of me because of my quality. I only play on this quality because otherwise it'll be really laggy, and my game is already laggy enough while I'm recording, and I don't want it to be any more laggy, if that makes sense. When I'm not recording, like that lag spike right there, when I'm not recording, I'll usually just play on like medium graphics. Well, that's still a little laggy, but it'd be way laggier if I was doing this. So I say we just play the game now, because that's basically what we're supposed to be doing, right? They got the time stone. Oh, I see one right on top of Expedition Outpost, and right there. You didn't know. No. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna. What? Okay, well that happened. No one needs a shotgun. Actually, these hands look really nice on me with the skin. Where are the boys at? Boys at right here. The hands have aimbot, but they don't do that much damage. They could do more damage, but that'd be too overpowered. Probably can't hear anything. What did I just aim onto? Can I aim on? No. I was just saying, what the heck? Did he land in a bush? No. don't see anyone. Oh, Space Zone. I know what happens in Endgame because somebody spoiled it for me. But it's fine because I wasn't going to go see it anyway because I'm surprised that one of my friends actually got tickets. Oh, imagine. He actually got tickets like yesterday at like 10 o'clock. He purchased the tickets then. And he got a showing that day. It's just so confusing. Like, how did you get that good? Like, how was it that good? Just like no one want to see the movie anymore? I mean, like, that was Saturday, so. Where are you landing? Where are you going? Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, that was cool. What? How is that not a hit? Aimbot. How are you not dead yet? How much health do you have? There we go. That's what I thought. Whoa, buddy. Yo, do you mind? I don't even know where you are. Just random yeet. Oh, there you are. There we go. It's hard to get high kill games in this game mode for some reason. Here, let me move my mic closer to my mouth because I feel like this is too loud. Because it is. But yeah, it's hard to get high kill games for some reason. Like, I don't know why, but like, oh no, we're not gonna win this. I'd appreciate it if you'd not. Nice. 60, and they need one more stone that's already in the map. And they're trying to go get it. Don't let them get it, boys. Best thing you could do, like when there's one left, find a place to camp that like it's by the storm. Ah, Thanos is dead. Good. Like right here, behind one of these. But people will see. So if I go right here, or no, I know a better place. Oh god. Yeah, that's what I thought. So I'm just gonna camp right here. This is so loud. But if you camp right here, and then like when it's close to being over, you just spam. I wasn't trying to do that. Oh look, it's me. But if you just camp here with Hawkeye's bow, then like it's really easy to kill them and not allow them to get the stone. Yo, how do you get invisible? That's still a question that I have. How do you become invisible? You guys barely can hear me because it's so loud. When is this stone gonna respawn? How are you invisible? No. Highest kill game I've gotten is 11. And that's when I was Thanos for like 50 seconds. Like, Thanos is so overpowered. I don't know if he's that overpowered in the other, like, earlier, like last year. I'm dead. Or not. Yo. Spooks me. Okay. What was I saying? Thanos. Yeah, I hope Thanos wasn't as OP as he was. Because, like, or no. Thanos is way more OP than he was because, like, now instead of doing like 50 or 25 damage with the laser thing, he now does 300 max. Wait, where is it? There it is. Shoot it midair. All right, it's right here. Right on top of the house. Protect the house at all costs. How about we just camp in the house? What? This is so loud. Bro, what? Why is it that loud? Alright, just destroy all of them. I'll camp over here. What is that's hammer? I'll just be camping right here, you know, minding my own business because you're all bots. How much health do you have, bro? There you go. What? What? Bro, I didn't even see you. They only have 14 spawns left. It's gonna be pretty close, actually. We can't let them have 5 seconds. If they get 5 seconds with that stone, it's all over. Looks like they're pretty close to it, because never mind. Bro, I see you. Bro, I see you. Can't hide, bro. Why can't I shoot you? There we go. He's still over there, I think. Oh, 11. Highest kill game by me in this game mode. Oh my god. Oh, in the comments, I want you guys to tell me what your highest kill game ever is. Maybe I'll say mine. Maybe at the end. Yeah, 30 kills. Oh, it's almost over. Almost over. The game is almost over. I repeat, the game is almost over. Don't give him any time to get that, dude. Wow. 6 people left. So, yeah, I got 30 kills in a game. It was a large team mode, so it wasn't that impressive, but it was a 30 kill game. It was a food fight, actually. And surprisingly, I didn't get all of the kills from knocking people's structures down. I know, right? Thanos! Thanos can't pick up the stones. No, he can't. What is he doing? Was he trying to? That's the storm. There's one guy left. Is it? It's not Thanos. Oh, he's over here. Who's gonna get the final kill? He's in the truck. Bro, is he actually in the truck? Bro, why were you in the truck? Why was he in the truck? Oh, he's Thanos. Oh, he's Thanos now. Now he has a gazillion health. Bro, why do you have to be Thanos? It's always the last guy. He's always Thanos. Well, he's almost dead. He's just getting completely annihilated. Watch. Did he just give up? Oh no, he still has shield. What is he doing? Where is he? What? We did it! Yay! Thanos is dead. Oh, in honor of Thanos. And that's the game mode. That's literally all you do. It's just Team Rumble, just with a boss, and it's like Team Rumble, capture the flag, and then like a game with a boss in it. And then you just add a bunch of loud noises in there, and boom, you've got yourself endgame. Amazing game mode. Pretty cool. If I could add one thing, I would add. I would add What would I add? Well, I don't know. I wouldn't add anything because this game mode is pretty